This is such an incredible day in Crowley ISD. We are so thankful for the partnership between the district and, of course, the Ryan Family YMCA. This partnership is about 20 years plus in the making, and it's all to benefit our students in Crowley ISD. We're super excited about today. I'm bubbling over with excitement, with joy, and with thankfulness for all of the partners, all of those involved in getting us to this day. I'm super excited, and I hope you'll be able to enjoy it as well as our students. But this is a day for them, and we're so thankful.
This pool, paid for and dedicated by the Crowley ISD, is an example of a partnership with the YMCA. We have the opportunity to serve more people in the community with our swim programs, free swim, our swim teams, the high school teams. It just shows what can happen when a community works together. We're very excited about this new pool and the opportunity to serve.